Hello, well, Akash here. Hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to share one of my favorite fancy vegan dish for you all, and the name of the dish is roasted eggplant with quinoa salad. Quinoa comes from wheat grain and it's one of the most common ingredients in Greek and Turkish cooking, and most importantly it's very famous in salads. And as you guys know, eggplant is very healthy and commonly used in making vegan dishes. So now let's get into action real quick and make this incredible vegan dish real quick. We'll start with cutting the eggplant first. We'll cut out the edges first. Now we'll cut it in half. We'll cut this slowly in lengthwise. Yes. And then we'll cross hatch patterns in sides. The reason behind this, it will cook evenly. Okay, now we'll do a quick seasoning. Salt and black pepper. Salt. Cracked pepper. So two steps involved in this eggplant. So first we're gonna pan seal it real quick, and then we're gonna bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. We'll add some vegetable oil. Now we'll pan seal our eggplant real quick. Now we'll throw some thyme and garlic cloves on the same pan. Now it's done and we'll turn it real quick. Yeah, we got a nice golden brown color. And we will cook rest in oven. Now we had already pan sealed our eggplant and we got a very nice color. We'll arrange this real quick in a baking tray and we'll bake this for 10 to 15 minutes at 175 degrees centigrade in a preheated oven. In the meantime, we'll prepare our quinoa. For that, we need half onion. We'll slice them. And we need 130 grams of quinoa. We'll start with some vegetable oil. Sliced onions. Garlic paste. Now we'll add our quinoa. Now we'll add 180 ml of water and we'll cook it for 10 to 12 minutes in a very low heat. Most of the water is absorbed. Now we'll add some salt, cracked pepper, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, give a quick mix. Now it's almost done and we'll finish this up with some chopped coriander and lemon juice. We'll give a quick stir and then we'll put the lid on and keep it for 3 to 4 minutes and it's done. So now it's all done and we'll plate it. Some garnish greens. Now this is optional. I'm gonna add some balsamic dressing on my eggplant. If you like, you can add it or you can skip it as well. So this vegan dish not only looks amazing, but it gonna taste delicious. And the best part is it's very easy to make. If you guys love this recipe, check my other recipes too, link in the description. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, so please like, share, subscribe and comment for more upcoming recipes coming up. Thank you.